This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 310 MKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a teak interior, sleeps 6, microwave, refrigerator, TV, stove-top burner, water heater, spare tire kit, air conditioning, oven, smoke detector, external shower, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear dinette, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.